5 easy weight loss tips for busy moms. Being a mom means balancing a million things every day. From school runs to meal prepping, there's barely time for yourself. But what if you could still lose weight without giving up your busy life? Today, I'm sharing 5 simple weight loss tips that fit into your day, no matter how full it is. Tip 1. Quick breakfast boost. Tip number 1. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast. It doesn't have to be complicated. A quick smoothie with protein powder, fruits, and a handful of greens can kickstart your metabolism and keep you feeling full longer. No time? No problem, make it the night before. Tip 2. Snack smart. Tip number 2. Snack smarter. Instead of reaching for chips or candy, choose nuts, veggies with hummus, or Greek yogurt. Small changes like this add up and can help you manage cravings while keeping your energy steady throughout the day. Tip 3. Move in mini bursts. Tip 3. Move in mini bursts. You don't need a full workout session to burn calories. Whether it's squats while your food is cooking, or a 5-minute dance-off with your kids, those little bursts of movement add up. Get creative with your daily routine. Tip 4. Drink more water. Tip 4. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Drinking enough water not only keeps you energized but also helps you avoid overeating. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and if you're feeling hungry, try drinking water first, you may just be thirsty. Tip 5. Prioritize sleep. Tip number 5. Prioritize sleep. We know, as moms, sleep can feel like a luxury. But getting enough rest is key to weight loss and overall health. Try to wind down an hour before bed. Less screen time, more relaxation.
Remember, moms, you don't have to do it all at once. These simple tips can fit into your busy day without adding stress, and little by little, they'll help you feel and look your best. So, what will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more weight loss tips that work for real moms like you.